In this video, I want to talk about how you can record a show on YouTube TV. Now, this is actually pretty easy because on YouTube TV, there's a built-in feature to do this. So what you want to do is open up YouTube TV. This can be on your smart TV, on your phone, tablet, or computer. Then you want to head to the home or live or search and just select any program that you want to record. Find the program and select it, and then you want to look for the Add to Library icon. Usually this will be a little plus sign, or it will be a button called Add to Library. Once you click on this, it will now be saved to your library and all the future episodes and the entire program, and you can access your recordings inside of the library. So this is the easiest way that you can do this, guys. Now I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.